Hi everyone. Today we are exploring Trello. Trello is a free web based collaboration tool that uses the Kanban framework. It helps you track tasks using cards that move from one stage to another, from to do to done. Before we dive in, here is a quick look at Kanban. Kanban is a lean project management method. It uses visual board to manage workflow. It encourages continuous delivery. So Trello is a great way to implement Kanban digitally. Let me show you how. So you have to visit trello.com and sign up for free. Once you sign up, this will be the screen that will be visible to you. Here you can see that there are different type of digital sticky notes, we can say it. Here let's go to the home page, and in the board section, here you can see that there are templates. You can use those templates, customize them accordingly, or you can create your own board. So let's start by creating your own board. You can customize this board by assigning various kind of background wallpapers or colors however you like it. Let's select one. Now in the visibility, you can keep this board visible to multiple members in your team publicly, or you can keep it private also. If you want to organize your own task, or if there are any goals of your own, then you can create a private board. Now let's create it. This board will act as your Kanban workspace, where each task flows from left to right. In Kanban, list represent stages in your workflow. A typical business analyst board might look like this. Like here, there is to do. We can rename it in progress, review, and you can add the boards accordingly. You can also shift the boards as per your requirements. Now, as you work on a task, you move its card from one list to the next, just like moving sticky notes across a whiteboard. In Trello, each card is a task or work item. As a business analyst, a card can include things like, let's start customizing it. If I said I want to prepare a document scope, I want to interview stakeholders, write user stories, finalize BRD. So I have created the cards in the to-do list. Here I can add the checklist. I can also set deadlines, attach files, or assign the team members. I'll show you how to customize this. Here when you click on a card, you can add descriptions. You can add labels according to their priority. If it is a high priority task, then we can add the red label. And then we can also name it as high priority. So this is a new label. You can customize the colors accordingly. You can add the dates of submission. You can create a checklist if you want. You can add the checklist here. You can also assign this task to the members in your team, and you can also add attachment or links. Here a detailed description can also be provided. You can attach your links and provide a detailed description also. If you want to communicate with your team, you can add comments over here, and then the next task will be assigned accordingly. Trello makes team collaboration seamless. You can add team members, assign tasks, comment on updates, and even get notification. It's a great way for BAs to stay aligned with developer team, testers, and stakeholders. Here, you can create this board, you can share it, and you can keep yourself updated. Now, sometimes if you want to view it as a calendar, you can view the task accordingly. You can connect your calendar over here, or you can change how you view the board. Here, the inbox is also visible to communicate with your team, or else you can just focus on the board for now and you can create it with workspace view, or you can start with a template. Kanban provides a feature of power-ups where you can add different kind of power-ups. You can link your Jira, Confluence to Trello, and there are multiple features like tables, spreadsheets, budget management is also given. You can connect your Gmail, Microsoft Teams, spreadsheet, Google Drive also, and you can customize your entire template accordingly. I have created a sample template for Trello. Here's a sample Here's a sample Trello board I use for business analysis. It includes cards for project kickoff, stakeholder calls, requirement mapping, documentation, review, and sign off. This visual flow ensures that nothing slips through cracks. Trello is also available as a mobile app, perfect for tracking updates or moving cards while on the go. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.